Hello viewers, and welcome once again to my YouTube channel. In our today's class, we are going to see how we can find the square of any two-digit number. I'm going to use these 5 different examples to show you how to find the square of any two-digit number without the involvement of calculator or any computing machine in just a matter of seconds. 5 to 6 seconds, you are done. So follow me. Let's see how we can tackle them one after the other. But consider subscribing and also put on your notification bell. Also share it with other learned colleagues so that anytime we upload video, you will be notified. Thank you so much. So we have 11 squared. How can we find the square of 11 squared without the involvement of calculator in just a matter of seconds? So first thing, what we have to do is to divide the numbers into 2. We have 1 and 1. So what we have to do is we have 1 and 1, but we divide the answer into 3 segments. We divide the numbers, that is the question, into 2 segments. We have 1 and we have 1, but the answer we divide it into 3 segments: the first segment, the second segment or the middle segment, and the last segment. So what we have to do is to find the square of the first number, and the square of 1 is 1. We find the square of the last number. The square of the last number is 1, so we put 1. Then the middle segment is to multiply the first number times the second number times 2. First times second times 2, and 1 times 1 is 1, times 2 is 2, so 2, and therefore I have 121 as the square of 11. Fantastic. Let's go to the second example. We are going to use the same thing. We are going to divide the numbers into 2, the first and the second number, and we are going to divide the answer into 3 segments: the first segment, the second, and the third segment. Okay, the first number, the square of the first number, just the way we did the first one, the square of 1 is 1, the square of 1 is 1. So here we have it. So now the square of 2 is 4, the square of 3 is 9. So the middle segment is the product of the first number and the second number, and also the square. That means I'm going to have 2 times 3 times 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. So I'm going to have 12. So in this case, I don't have space for 2 digits. I only have space for only 1 digit. In that case, that means we have another step. Here I have to put 9 because 9 is a single digit. So I'll put 9 starting from right to left. Here I have 12. I'm going to put down the unit and carry over the tenth. So I'm going to put down the unit, which is 2. Then the tenth, which is 1, is going to be added to the first segment of the answer. That is 1 plus 4 is going to be 5. So 529 is the square of 23. Very fantastic. So if well understood, let me give you 5 seconds to find the value of 38 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the answer? Let's find out. Just the way we did for the first and the second example, we are now going to do the same thing for the third example. Well understood that the numbers are going to be divided into 2, separated into 2. 3 and 8. We had 2 and 3. We had 1 and 1. So in this case, we have 38 to tackle. So I'm going to divide the answer into 3 segments. The first segment, 3 squared is 9. 8 squared is 64. So the middle number is the product of the 2 numbers. 3 times 8, which is 24. 24 times 2 is 48. So this is 48. So this is 2 digits and I only have space for only 1 digit. This is also 2. That means I still have to go for the next step. This is 2 digits. As I told you here, I'm going to pick only the unit and carry over the tens. So I'm going to write down only 4. Here remains 6. Then 6 plus 48 is going to be 54. So I'm going to put the 4, remain 5. Then 5 plus 9 is going to be 14. So 14, 1444 is a square of 38. Have you gotten this? Let's go to the fourth example. In the fourth example, just the way we did for first, second, third, we are now going to do it for the fourth 49 squared. 4 squared is 16, of course. 9 squared is 81. So 4 times 9 is our middle term is going to be 4 times 9 times 2, and 4 times 9 is 36. 36 times 2 is 72. So since I have two digits and I have only a space for only one digit, that means I still have another step. So here I'm going to pick the unit, which is 1. Remain 8. 8 plus 72 is 80. Then I'm going to put the 0, remain 8. Then 8 plus 16 is 24. So I have 24. We can see that the square of 49 is 2401. That is good. Let's go to the last example. The last example is that I'm going to, just the way we did for the first, second, third, fourth, we are now going to do it for the fifth example and the last example. 9 squared is 81 and 9 squared is 81. So 9 times 9 is 81. 81 times 2 is 162. So this is 162. Then I can see that I have 2 digits here, I have 3 digits here, I have 2 digits here. That means I still have another step to complete. So here I will have to put the unit and remain the tens. The tens, 8 plus 162 is 170. So that means I'm going to put the 0, remain 17. So 17 plus 81 and is 98. We can see that the square of 99 or 99 squared is 9801. And this is all I have for you for today, my viewers. If you find my video useful to you or helpful in any way, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting content like this and many. And I promise that in my subsequent video, you are going to see how we can find the square of any 3-digit number. So watch out for more exciting videos.